Okay, the information about the website. So the head is on the head where we have the information about the website. For example, the character encoding and the title and some other information, the author, the title, the author of the website. This is where we put all the metadata of the website. Information about the website is on the head. Is on the head. So let's see how the head goes. Example, head starts like this, and you close the head like this slash head. Okay. Then you can put, for example, the title. Let's say this is the title of the website. So the name of the title can be my web page. My web page. Your first web page. So this is the title. This title is element, also a tag, is a tag also. Title of the website. So this head describes the information about the website. So, and it is put here. You put it inside this. This head is inside this HTML. You can see this HTML. This is the starting and the end of the code. That is the HTML. So this is the head. This is where it is. So the next thing is the body. So the body is where you put all the content. All the content of the website. This is the body. All the content of the website. You put the body like this is body. This body. Then you close the body with the tag like this, closing tag. So this is the closing tag. The body can be the heading. You can put the heading here. Let me say H1. H1. You can put the heading. Close it. You can put the paragraph. You can put paragraph P. This is also a tag. We discuss other tags, but we have only three basic: HTML, head, and what? The body. So you can put images, videos, audios, all other content of the page. What you see inside the page like this. Example, this page. Everything you see inside here. That is what you call the body of a page. The body of a page. So the body of a page. Everything you put inside here is the body. So you can see the title on the top of, for example, this is a browser. You can see the title on the top. So the title doesn't appear here. The title, which is the head, appear, let me say, the top like this of a page. But the body of a page is this. Okay, that is all we have for the body. I told you that I will explain what we call markup language. Markup language. So this is not a programming language like other programming like JavaScript. We call this one markup language. So why do we call it markup? So we have in the content of a website, we have text. We have text. We have videos. We have images. images. Okay, when you surround this text, videos, images with HTML tags, other HTML tags, we can have something like the heading, H1, can have the paragraph, and many other ones. So when you surround HTML tags, when you surround text, the content of a page with tags, it means that you have marked them up. To mark up a text, it means you surround that text with the tags. So when you come to HTML web pages, all the text, the videos, everything is marked up, and that is why we call it marked up language, because everything is surrounded with the HTML tags. So if you write paragraph, for example, you write paragraph, so you surround the paragraph with closing and opening tag. Assuming this is HTML. So this is now a text. This is a text. Hope you can see it. In text, you surround it with these tags. So you have marked up this text. So everything in the web page is marked up, and that is why it is called marked up language. Hypertext means links. Marked up language, we have explained it. Every text, videos, images, all those are surrounded with HTML tags. So when they are surrounded with tags, enclosed with the tags, so they are marked up with the tags. So that is where the term mark up was taken. Okay, thanks for watching. You can follow us on our page, Facebook page, or you can watch our video